Today we will see how to develop the form and what are the steps we need to do. Okay, right. So we're going to see the form development process. So these are the steps. What are the steps we need to take care? First one, the step one, download the template.fmb. Download the template.fmb from AU top. AU underscore top from AU top. Download the template.fmb from AU top means moving from the server to local machine. Next, open the form builder. Okay, open the form builder. Then open the form builder and then open the template file in form. Open the template.fmb file in forms. File in form. Okay. Now,
But Koti, this file will not open on our local machine, right? Because as you said yesterday, that the libraries will not be available on local
no, no, no,
machine.
no, no, no. It's available. That is one or two. It is going to missing that specific form. If it is not available, we need to download those things. Okay, let me show you. Form builder we open. Then next, what we can do? Next, I am trying to open the template.fmb. Okay. See, let me see template.fmb file. Okay. There is no issue. Understood. See, yesterday we are facing means that is PO standard form. PO standard form level, they are using so many standard libraries in that particular form level. Understood. In that specific form level, they are going to using the specific some unique libraries. Those are missing in our local mission. Understood. So that is the reason it is giving the problem. So at that time, what we have to do? We need to check that what is that library, what is the PLX file is missing. You need to download from the server. Okay.
But basically, libraries are used for reusing, right? Means these are
It's
the code.
not
Suppose
library.
now,
It's not library. It's some PLL, PLX files are missing yesterday. Understood?
yeah,
Hmm.
but it contains the PLSQL code, right?
Right.
So suppose now if I'm developing that form and I need that those PLLs which we used yesterday
Hmm.
in our code. So how I will use that PLL in this case?
You need to see already all PLLs are available. First, you need to find that what is the functionality, which one you want to
Okay.
use it. Okay, is that is available in the server or not? If it is not available, so what we have to do next level? Maximum standard all functionalities. This is a text instance, right? In the text you can't find everything. Okay, in client place it is highly configured everything. So now what I done, I open the form builder and then I open the template.fmb. Next, download the template.fmb file from AU top. Open the form builder. Open the template.fmb file in form. Sir, why you need a template.fmb file? Why can't you directly you can build the form? Yes, we can build the form directly also without the template.fmb. See, let me 1 second. Now this is without template.fmb. This is template.fmb. Okay. Try to concentrate on both of you. Sorry, all of you. Now, see some difference you can see. You can see here only triggers. Here you can see list of triggers it is coming. Understood? Here you can see only data block, right? But here you can see data blocks. Standard functionalities are coming. Here only canvas it is there. Nothing it is there. Here it is standard functionalities are coming. Canvas standard functionalities. If we go window, here it is nothing is there. Window. Okay, only window. Here it is. See, window properties are coming. All standard functionalities are coming. Okay, and here this is a template.fmb is going to providing the apps enabled forms. Understood? If you are going to developing normal form, Oracle apps will not going to support. Understood? That is the first thing. Some Oracle having some functionalities, those functionalities will not going to support at the normal forms. What is that functionalities means? We have so many functionalities, some Zoom functionalities, some calendar functionalities, and Oracle related that who columns functionalities. We people going to see record history, right? That is also one who functionality. Okay, like this, we have so many Oracle related libraries and Oracle related app core related libraries. Those all are going to missing if you are not taking it. This normal forms, this is a D2K form. This form will not going to support for the Oracle apps, Oracle apps. Clear? So anyhow, we'll provide you the material. Read it carefully, and we people to understand more. See, coming to template.fmb, we will see more functionalities here. See, LOV functionality, parameter functionality. Same thing it is available here also, but some standard functionality it is missed in related to the Oracle apps. So that is the thing we can keep on mind. Okay, right. Next, what we need to do? First, we open the form. Next, change the template name. Change the module template name. Change the module template name. Change the module template name. Okay, so now I'm going to change my template module name. If you double click it, automatically properties it will come. This is xxglt employee details form, emp details. This is my form name. Okay, now I changed it. Then once you change it, you can cross this button. That's enough. Change your module template name. I changed it. And the next it is going to delete the block names. Okay, delete. Next what we need to do? Next, delete the block names of, okay, data block comma canvas and window. Okay, now we are going to deleting. Already existed block names, you can delete it. What is that? Block name of data blocks, canvases, data block of, put control, press control and select it. And window name, window block name. Now I selected these three. Clear? Now you can click on cross button. It's asking to delete the object selected. Yes. Done. We are deleted. Now, then again, create. Now again, create. Okay. Create new data block, comma, canvas and window. Understood? So now I'm going to, while creating the see now, first I'm going to creating my canvas. Okay, select a canvas, click on plus button. Yes, your canvas is created. Now just you can rename it. Select it, press F4. F4 means so that is going to properties it will come. Now your canvas name, rename the canvas. Okay, EMP details EMP details can means canvas. What is the subclass information? Subclass information you need to change here. Okay, subclass information you can change it to property class, change it to canvas. This is the one. Subclass, change the subclass information. Okay, let me select the canvas, select the canvas and click on plus button. Click on plus button in the right corner, plus button on right corner. Is that right corner, right? Right corner. And then, okay, select that, select the newly created canvas. Newly created canvas and press F4. F4. Okay, and then change the your canvas name. Change the canvas name and subclass information. Subclass information. Subclass information as canvas. Canvas. Just close it. That is the thing. I hope if people are going to following very well. Okay. See, any doubts, please ask me. Right now, see now my canvas is ready now. Understood? Then select the windows. Click on plus button here. Okay. After that, select that whatever the new one is created plus on press F4. EMP details window. EMP underscore details underscore WND window. Now change the subclass information property as a window. Click on OK. Okay, this is the thing we done. Let me note down the steps. Now select the window name. Select the windows and click on plus button on right corner corner. See, real life, if you know the forms, you are unique in the team. Understood? Multiple. So many people don't know the forms. If you know very well forms, or at least if you can able to do forms, you are really special in the team. Okay, keep on mind. So maximum people don't know the forms. Now once you click on that, now select the newly created form and press F4. Okay, and then next what you have to do, change the subclass information as window and select the canvas name and change the and canvas name as canvas as our canvas name. What is this, sir? Again, so if you go there, what is a primary canvas? Primary canvas, you can change it now. We are going to putting the canvas on the top of the window. EMP details can. This is primary canvas. Now here it is. So change and primary canvas as primary canvas as our canvas name. This is the one. Okay. So what is the next step we done? This is the done. Okay. Next, no need to do anything here. Simply can cross it. Okay. Now next go to data blocks. Okay. Data block. Now click on select the data block. Click on plus button. Right. Next one is select data blocks. Select data blocks and click on plus button on right corner. Okay, and then select it. Which one you want to go manually? Wizard. Both we have. Okay. Currently, I'm going to showing you the wizard method. Okay, data block with use the data block wizard. Okay, select use data block wizard. Click on OK. That is right. I'm going to using data block wizard as of now. Click on OK. Then display the page on next time. Welcome to the data block wizard. This wizard allows you to quickly and easily create the data block based on the table. Okay, or a table or a view. Both you can going to do it. Click on next. Select table or view. Okay. Then click on next and select table or view. Done. And click on next. Okay. Once you click on next and then click on next and next. Okay. This is that thing done. Now again select your okay, pick the table required. What is the table you want? Okay, pick the table or view from LOV while connect the database connect the database. Okay. Right, I said it EMP. Okay, refresh it. See now, once I refresh, immediately it is asking to connect the database. So you people are following, right? No response. Apps, this. Hello.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, Koti. Yeah.
All right. Fine. Now I connected the database. So I am going to picking my table as EMP. Right. So you can see available columns and database columns. you can move all the columns into this side. What are the columns you want in the database? You can move into this right corner. Okay. Now then click on next. We don't have any relationship now. Okay. Click on next. Now data block name. Okay. You can see all available columns. You can see all available columns and move the required columns in database columns. This columns. Okay. Now once we moved, then click on next. Click on next. Again next. Again next, right? Now change the data block name. Change the data block name. This is the one. Okay. Okay. Right. So now we can go to emp underscore details underscore blk. It's not dlk, it's blk. Block. Emp details block. Click on next. Now congratulations, you have finished the describing your data block. Done. Okay. Then once you change it, then click on finish. Okay. Now it is layout is coming. Once change, then and click on next and click on next and then finish. Again. Now your layout also you need to design. Understood? Once click on finish and then click on next. Again the layout. This is your layout. Okay. Employee details scan under content canvas. Click on next. Right. Click on next. Again. Click on next. Click on next. And you can see your canvas name. You can see your canvas name. Yes. And then next. Click on next. Okay. Right. What is the next step we need to do? Once you click on next, so here you can see available items and displayed items. Available items and move the required columns from available items to displayed items. Okay. Move the required columns from available to display items. Available items to display items. Excuse me. This means in the form what are the columns you want to show. Understood? Right. I moved it. Now I click on next. So here you can see the column width and height. Change the width. See now this is e name is going to showing more. It is a bigger. These are If you want, you can change it, or else if it is also no problem, you can leave it. Okay, click on next. Formal tabular. How you are now? Click on next. Click on next. Click on next, and again next. Okay. Now select a tabular or form. How your form you want to show. It is going to form mode. This is if you select tabular. This is a tabular method. I selected tabular. Type of the layout type. Select a tabular. Form type as display size tabular. Okay. And then click on next. Now it is going to asking the frame title. How you the frame title? See now, if you open the purchase order form, you can see the frame title. Frame title means see suppose headers, okay, lines. The frame title you can see. Okay, you can give it employee information like this. Employee information. Okay. Now records to display. How many records you want to display? Okay. Distance between the records one. Hello, scroll bar. Number of records to display 10 now. Now change the frame title. Change the frame title and display records. Display records as suppose I want 10. You can and select scroll bar. Scroll bar. This is the one. Okay. And then next, click on next. This is done. Congratulations, your layout frame also ready. Click on finish. So this is the one we done now. Okay. So if you people are going to see, this is selected very less. This is going to repeating frame. Okay. I selected properly. This is going to your canvas. This much only it is canvas. I selected in both are in similar way. Okay. Now next we can move into this is the one. See, this is the frame title, employee information. Okay. Now go to object navigator, window to object navigator. So this is the form, it is ready. Now next go to window. What is the window we created previously? Press F4 in window. Okay. Now once you click on finish button, click on finish button, finish, and then see that see the frame. This is going to repeating frame, and canvas window, canvas areas are within the fields or outside the fields. Within the fields or outside. So if it is, see that you can adjust it. Okay. No need to write everything. If I write everything though, so we people going to feel, oh, it's a lot of steps are there. It is it's a difficult we feel. Okay. Right. Next, go to window. Go to window properties. Go to window properties, and change the title name. Form title name. Okay. Now go there. Mm, you can see form title is empty. Employee information. Okay. If you want, you can put it GLT. GLT employee information. Now you changed the title. Now again, if you change the put the canvas into then inside of the window, automatically canvas level window also reflected. You can see. Maybe people are going to see where that 1 second canvas somewhere we can see window is not changed, so change this also. Okay, go to the canvas properties, go to canvas properties and change the change the window name. Okay, right. We need to change into our window name. Sorry, see now emp detail window, we need to change this. Okay, next we can go to, these are the things done up to. Hey, still we are not saved. Let me save this. Save as. What is this module name we are giving? Same name you can give it. File name, farm name we are going to saving. Now if you click save, oh sorry, okay, cannot create a file. Okay, fine. Yeah, now here it is, should be fmb. Here change it to our module xxgld employee details forms. I moved out to search in folder here. Okay, right. emp details. Now you can save it. This saved now. So up to these are the things done now. Okay, so this now data block also ready. These all are ready. Next, triggers. Okay, go to form level triggers. Go to form level triggers. Form level triggers. Now change the triggers. These are the form level triggers. Okay, so here you can see free form trigger. In the free form trigger, put your block name. Go to form level triggers, that is called as a free form trigger. Okay, click on free form trigger, and change the block name. Right. So what is your block name? Now here you can see your block name, data block name, emp details blk. So this is going to your block name. You can change it. Window position block name. You are giving your block name.
So how did it open the PLSQL? Was it a right click on trigger or?
Double click.
Okay.
Okay. Now we are giving your block name. First window name. What is your first window? Go to window. Give it your window name. This is your window name. You can give. You have changed the block name as well as your first window. Mm, yes, you can change it. This. Once you are giving these two details, you can click on compile button. Okay. Once you compile, successfully it is compiled. Now you can close it. Again, one more trigger you need to change. Go to triggers again, and when new form instance, in the when new form instance level, you need to change into your block name. This is your block name. The first template name we are giving, right? Right. 1 second. What is that? When new form instance trigger. In this trigger, template.fmb is there. You can give it to your template name. Okay. Compile it and then close it. So these are the things we done. Next, we have some other forms also. Those things we will going to see later. Later classes, we will going to see the different forms we will going to see. Now, I compile. I select my module name. Control Shift K. It is going to compile your form. Okay. Or else, if you go to programs, okay, compile PLSQL all. Shift Control K. Same way we can do it. It is compiled. If it is any error, it is coming and it will give the problem. It will show it. I saved it. My FMB is ready now. It's ready. Only the form is going to this much. It is. See, what I did, only employee details form I developed. So there is no parameters, there is no LOVs here. Simply it is going to read only form, read only, and you can have to update the forms. That is the thing I done now. Up to steps is clear. Any doubts? I think we people have to practice, then only we'll get the doubts. Only looking, there is no doubts at all.
Did you change the table name?
What table name?
What table this form is going to use? The M.
I selected EMP, right?
So the same one.
Same one. You can go there. See. See, here you can see. This is the one I selected, right?
Yeah.
While creating the data block, at that time I selected this only, right?
Yeah.
So next what we have to do, now you need to move this FMB into AU top. So now, next what we need to do, we need to ready with form registration steps. Next, move the compile it. Okay, compile the form. Compile and compile the form. Compile form and save it. Save as dot fmb. Okay, save as fmb. And then now move the file into resource folder. Resource. Move the file into server. Okay, we'll give you the path. Now, next what we have to do, you need a form compilation script. Understood? Form compilation script is very, very important. You need that script. I think already I have in my previous classes, I put it somewhere. Okay, if it is there, that's fine. Okay, anyhow, we can take it, no problem. 1 second. Nah? So we're going to take it from form compilation compilation script for R12. Okay, right. This is going to, okay, we'll try. One second. No, script it should be there. Everyone should have to follow the same script to compile. Okay, so according to change our the details. This is the one. See, R12 is different. Okay, FRM command. This is the one I forget. In FRM command, I forget that one. So that is the reason it is taking a lot of time to look it. Okay, right. Give me a second. So where is your files? So this is the one. Okay, keep in mind. This is the one. So you can going to use this same script. R12 is different, 11i is different again. Okay, keep on mind. Okay, that's fine. See, FRM, user ID, password, apps, module, the module path you need to mention where your FMB is going to stored. Where we are going to moving our FMB. Okay, our FMB we are going to moving into AU top. Let me root VARAS, Oracle, Wiz, apps, application. Okay, AU top. Okay, Oracle R12. Here it is going to forms US folder. So we are moving our FMB file into here. This side where we are stored. Other people take it from such an folder. Okay, it's there already in. Okay, now where is your FMB? This is your FMB. Now move into this tab. Sir, in your client place, custom tab you need to move, not in AU tab. Oh, no. In AU tab only you can move, but FMX should be going to custom tab. Now I copy this one. Okay. Now move the file into server in this path. Right. Now from this onwards you can take this here module name from here. From this to application stop this up to this path. Okay. Here module name you can change it. This is the one up to. Okay. Next what you need to do, your FMB name. I hope you people going to following. Okay. Now what is your FMB name? You have to copy this and put into XXX is there, right? Put your FMB name dot FMB. This is going to FMX name. Same name you can use. Now for FMX, where you want to store the FMX? See, XX custom. XX custom means we don't have XX custom. This form I am going to registering under PO module. Okay, PO module. So I'm going to attaching this form to purchasing responsibility. Okay. Normally, where the PO is coming, here it will come the custom top path. But we don't have a custom top here. So that is the reason I'm going to attaching to PO top. So what I did now, I'm going to, one second. I pasted there. This too. Now you can go to this complete top. So my FMX is going to generate it to here. Understood? So I changed it now up to US folder. Is it clear now? Hello.
Koti, how it will select the path after VIS? Like our folder is Oracle application server,
No, no, no.
Oracle.
Automatically, the whole path it will take from this onwards. Remaining thing, it's by default one. See, Oracle is the standard Oracle database one. From which it is going to, which is the our instance name from. Okay. Here, which onwards it is going to recognize it. Okay. This is the one.
Okay.
Now, we people try to understand where we moved the FMX, where we moved the FMB. What is the username, password? Username, password. This is remaining thing. Everything should be same. So here it is. This is our instance name. Okay. Next application tab, apps, application tab, application AU tab. This is. If someone is going to asking where we will move the FMB, what Padmini, what we will tell?
Custom tab?
No,
FMB,
it will be
FMB.
in AU term.
It should be in
And
AU
it
top.
will
AU top. FMB. I'm asking FMB. .fmb file.
FMB from AU top, and we are moving to custom top. The PO. Moving to PO.
No. Wait. How many files I have now? The form having how
One.
many files? Initially one form, right? The form you compile, what automatically what will happen? FMX file is generated. Okay. The FMB, whatever you developed the form, that is going to moving to where? Into AU top. Okay.
The output file is PO top.
Don't call output file. It should be the compiled file.
If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and be a part of the journey with GoLogica and stay connected with the latest videos.